What is up guys, Killer Joe here. Today we're putting together a new computer. I'm getting the motherboard in at the moment. Just got to screw in a few more screws. Then put the CPU in, put the RAM in. Power supply that I got last time, the Corsair RM750X is already in, already installed. Nice power cables here, nice and sleeved and everything. So that's in, and then CPU and there. Other parts that I got today, I had to get these because the other ones that I was going to get were out of stock, and these were the only other option that actually had blue LEDs in it, so I got those. Got dual band wireless card, which is good, I needed. CPU that's going in it is an i5 7600K, unlocked, which is good, overclocking. Unfortunately they were out of stock with most of the other coolers and I didn't quite have enough for my budget, so I ended up getting the Corsair H75 CPU cooler. Motherboards from MSI, it's... let me just get the box real quick. Which is good. I'm going to finish screwing in the motherboard and I will be back in a second. Okay, got the motherboard in. Can't get that screw there or that one there as there's no actual screws for the motherboard. They're the lifted ones and I don't actually have any more of them. So I'm stuck with that. I don't mind, it's still stable. M.2 port, another M.2 port, that one is turbo, so really looking forward to getting SSD. Do we have one? Right here. It's out of a MacBook, but it will still work the same. I don't know if Mac will actually boot, but I'll probably end up formatting this and just putting Windows on that. From here, I'm going to put the CPU in. Sketchiest part. Let me just open the box. There it is. Alright, I'm gonna open that. Okay. We have the CPU here. Be careful not to touch the pins. Make sure it's facing the right way. As you can tell by dot there, corner piece there, and two dents on either side. So now we're just gonna close that, push that down, clip the pin under like that, and now we're gonna install the memory. So here's the memory. Let me just quickly open this. There we go. It's open. Now with this, make sure it's facing the right way. See? It doesn't line up that way. So then it goes in this way. What you want to do, you don't want to put it in this first slot. So I'm going to open the second slot. Gonna slip it open like this. Now push down both sides. Clip. Clip. Okay. Then with the second one, you want to chuck it in the last one, as my motherboard states. If you read the user manual, it'll tell you which ones to put in. But if you get more than 2 sticks, then you just fill all the slots up. So, wrong way, see? Always double check that. That goes in, like this. Clip, clip. There, make sure it's nice and snug. Okay, now USB and stuff there. That's audio. I gotta move this. I gotta push that back through there and pull it through there. So I'm gonna do that now. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so while I did that, I pulled the power ones through as well. So I'm going to chuck this one just here. And USB 1. Like that. Slide that back through. Back and under like that. Now, in your user manual, I got confused before because my last motherboard just had it like this. But this one here is a little different. What you gotta do, I think I just passed it. Here we go. JFP1. See? Just gotta read this real quick. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is shove these in. Reset switch, like it said. This in here, this one just here. Just the far one. Don't think plus and negative really matters. Power switch, believe goes behind it, like that. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to read this again because I want to get the. Oh yeah, see, by the way. That's the RAM. Okay, so 2 is plus, which is the top one, just here, which is that one just here. And 4, no, wait, yeah. 1 is plus, 2 is plus. Okay, yep, okay. Okay. HD light, so should have positive and negative on it. If not, you just, well, them little ones do. Move those out of the way because we don't need those just yet. So with the words facing towards the bottom of the case on the bottom 2 pins for this motherboard, and then for plus, so here's a plus and negative on there. So it means 2 is plus, so it means it's going far left, and then 3 is negative, so it means it goes on the 4th pin. I mean 4 is negative, so it goes on the 4th pin, just like that. There you go, nice and focused. Okay, what I'm going to do now is pull this out. This here's, oh shit, pardon me. System fan, actually I'm going to pull it out through the USB 3, back in a second. Okay, I'm back. I pulled through the USB 3, which should go into the USB 3 port right there on the motherboard. So, clip, see, that easy. Not going to do the power just yet until I tidy up the back. I'll do the fans later as well, because I gotta sort other fans out. Oh really? What I can do is unplug this one just here. Unplug. I can shove this one right there on the motherboard. If this would like to come through, there it is. Unplug that one, and I can plug this here into this one here. Is a system fan as well, like that. That one there is a pump fan, so I'm gonna plug the pump into that one. So now I can move that out, and I'm gonna unpack the pump now. I'm and put that in. Okay, I just pulled the plastic off. So I'll open this thing up. If I can do it with one hand. There you go, there's a booklet. There's warranty stuff. Put that in my good box. I'll put that there, so I might read that in a minute. Okay, so here's all the components. I'm gonna get very confused with this. Corsair fans. Good. Another Corsair fan. Good. Shove that on top of there. Hey! It has slots for LEDs. Awesome! Now it would be amazing if it came with LEDs. Which no, I don't think it does. So no, it doesn't come with LEDs, unfortunately. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out and have a look at it. Okay, so by the looks of it, it does come with thermal paste on there. Let's peel that off. Did say it came with interchangeable tops for it, but no, it doesn't. Because I was going to change it to the blue one, but oh well, I do not mind. I do like this actually. So, oh Jesus, it's bright in my eyes. There it is. There's the fan pump. I mean the water pump, not fan pump. What the fuck was it then? Okay. I'm going to put the fans and stuff on, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm putting the screw mount on the bottom of my motherboard. Don't mind that vibration. So make sure they line up, which they do not. Which means push them out like that, like that. That one didn't move. There we go. I'm not. There we go. And now it should start in. Here's one. There's two. Alright, I'll be back in a second. I'm going to cut that on. Now I'm going to flip it over and put the other parts on. Okay, so I've got the screws here. Show you these. These are the long ones on both ends. Or you've got the short one. No wait, that's not a short one. The short ones are for AMD. The long ones are for Intel. So I've got Intel, so I'll be using these long ones. And what they do is they screw it in like this, finger tight, all the way. There we go. Got one. Got two. I'll see you once I've done the rest. Okay, got all four of those screws in, so I'm going to move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step for me will be putting the fans on, so I'm going to start setting this up now, and then I'll record once I am doing it. Okay, so I have the fan. I'm going to be putting it on this way, as the air flows out the back. And this is also the second fan I'm going to put on, so I'm going to find the screws for that. Put those on. Okay, so basically there is screws like this and a washer. Shove the washer on like this, all the way down. There we go on the first corner. Find the hole. Yep, I'm in it. Screw it up. Finger tight. I'll do it however tight you want for now. I'm just doing it a little bit so the fan stays on so I can get the screwdriver and do the rest. I'm going in a crisscross direction, if you wanted to know. Finding the holes is a little bit annoying. There we go. There's the second one. Okay, I'll get back to you once I've done this. There we go. Got fan on all 4 screws. So now I'm going to do the second part. Okay, so here's what I've gotten so far. Like this. Just gotta do up these screws and everything. So I'm going to do up those. Okay, it's all in, done up. So now I'm going to do the CPU cooler and then the rest. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. I accidentally ended the recording just then, so I'm going to put them together in Sony Vegas. But so far, that's what I've done. I'm going to pause it now. Okay, done that, screwed all these in. I definitely want to give Corsair a shout out for this, how they've done that where you screw it in from the screws instead of having to use screwdriver and normal screws. Definitely like that. Good job guys for making it like that. Way easier. And now I'm just going to plug it all in. So it's not really interesting, so back in a minute. Okay, so right now I'm just plugging in, yep, pump fan. There it goes. Damn, it's in. Right, everything else, SATA, stuff like that. SATA ports there, obviously. Gonna put the SSD in. Oh, it's a little tricky to get to actually. I'm gonna do that now because before I forget, I'll probably end up forgetting. So I'm gonna do that now. There we go. Got that in. That was a mission. So what I'm gonna do now, just make this tidy up a little bit. And I'm gonna plug in. Oh, Jesus, what's that? There we go. CPU power. I mean, motherboard power. My bad. There we go. That's in. Graphics card power. Just tangle it on the other cables. There we go. Pull that up a little bit. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, do SATA, and I'll get back. So there we go. The light's not coming on, but there we go. Most of it's done. Only thing left to put in is this, and then this. So that's already there. That's already been used. So I'm gonna open that, and then yep. Oh. Installation guide, low profile piece, the actual card itself. There we go. By the way, I do have shoes on. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. There we go. That's in. Graphics card time, which is gonna be good. Okay, card is in. Final thing to do, plug in the power, and then plug it in, plug in the monitors, and be good with it. Just pull that out a little bit more. Plug. Oh man, good. So annoying. Plug this one first. Bam. This one's a little annoying because there's a little 2-pin on the side. Does move a fair bit. So there we go. Pushing this in. Doesn't actually want to. Go in, please. Go. No, really? Why you don't want to go in? Okay. It's just being dead set annoying. I don't know what it's doing. Give me a minute. Got that in. Let's push that down, slide that under there. Everything's in. Looking good. Gonna put this in here now. So back in a sec. And now everything's all in. Lovely. SSD down there. Well, yeah, okay, I'm gonna plug everything in and turn it on. Here we go. Going down. Turn it on. Turn them both on. Right. Oh, that's nice. Many different LEDs on it. Here we go. F1 to rest setup. Wow. Beautiful. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you liked, please, and I mean please, hit that like button and please subscribe for more content. We'll be gaming. Whānau. It's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.